So I can show you a very scary job here. The people are hanging to clean the glass doors. We should salute them and we should appreciate their efforts. That is something amazing. High is this building all the way, and then you can see the hanging people cleaning this fantastic. Try to zoom and show you guys. Oh my god, this looks dangerous. So here you can see that how top it they are. Must be how many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 25 floors up. Here are 25 floors up. Amazing skills and daring job. It's a daring job actually. I really like it. I'm really scary actually, not like it.